What's up, $1,000,000 babes, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be a Ulta / Sephora haul, and I'm just going to be showing you all some things that I got. I'm actually wearing a lot of them today, so I'll let y'all know how they're doing today. I did have my mask on today, as well as I went and got my hair did, so I wear my mask to the hair salon. Just out of precautions, you know, the coronavirus is still going on. But yeah, if you would like to see this, make sure you view, rate, and subscribe. Thumbs this video up and hit that bell to be notified when I upload, and stay tuned. Alright, loves, I'm going to be announcing a huge announcement. If you follow me on my social media, you pretty much already know, but we are expecting, I am due August the 8th, but I'm scheduled for a cesarean, so it'll be around the end of July. I am so ready right now. Let me see if I can show y'all my belly. Huge, honey. I am huge. But yes, I can barely breathe. All of that, but yes, I am struggling. I cannot wait to drop this baby and get back in the gym, because baby, your girl is ready for this baby to come. But yes, I'm expecting a boy. Me and my fiance also got married over on April 8th. I mean April 4/4, so April the 4th, 2020. But this pregnancy brain is horrible, y'all. I can't remember much at all, so I pretty much try to write everything down, jot everything down, and remember and everything. So, but yeah, just wanted to announce that. So if you hear me like out of breath, I'm out of breath for a reason. So yes, yeah, let's go ahead and get into this haul. My baby shower was actually Saturday, so that's why I had to go get my hair did and stuff. Yes, and we are doing a Kobe Bryant theme, since his name, he's a junior, but we decided his middle name is Kobe, since Bae loves Kobe, and as in a tribute to him as well. So I thought that was so cute. Plus, I didn't want to be calling him TJ. We already got a TJ in the family, so we just call him Kobe. So yeah, so I thought that was cute. But yeah, that's what his name is. It's Tyson Kobe Cummins Jr. So yeah. But yeah, let me stop rambling, y'all. Let's get into this video. But yeah, I'm gonna start with Sephora. I got some items from there. So let's start with the Pat McGrath. I wanted to try, saw a lot of reviews on this. I wanted to try a good concealer. I have that on today as well, under my eye and my nose and here and here. So that's what I use to like contour with as well. But I got the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Subline Perfection Concealer. And that's that, y'all. And I got the color M15. Now this Pat McGrath in Deep Skin Finish Subline Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. It came in this, and this was so cute. But I didn't know it was this small, y'all. Show y'all. And I have that on as well. I put my L'Oreal Mercier when I contoured, dusted that off, and then I put this on top of it, y'all. But it's in the color Deep. And that's that. And it came in this cute container, y'all, with these little sparkling things. So be careful when taking this out, because I have so much still on my floor. I need to get up. But yeah, I thought it was so cute, y'all. I also got, I'm gonna mix up what I got from, yeah. And then my last two items I got from there, Kat Von D was having a sale, y'all. I saw somebody posted on Facebook. So let me hear right over here, y'all. I'm about to order anyway from Sephora, so let me throw these in my buggy. I got 2 of her vegan lipsticks, and I got Sanctuary and Dreamer. And I'm going to show y'all these colors. So this one is Sanctuary. I just thought this is such a cute brown nudish. That was so cute. And then I just got a pop of color. And they were only $5, y'all. So if y'all missed that sale, sorry for you. But yeah, I had to grab these. And this is just a cute blue color. And this is in the color Dreamer. Man, it's so cute. Alright, and I think that's all I got from Sephora. My next couple of items is from Ulta. Y'all know I love me some Ulta. So I read up on my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I also got the Beauty That Pops in a Dew Primer. And this is the Hydrating Watermelon Infused Jelly Pop Collection. And this is the Dew Primer. Show y'all this one. Just says Dew Primer from, of course it's covered up, Elf. That's what it's by. And I have this on today as well, y'all. I am so hot, so excuse me, y'all. On, baby. I also had to re-up on my Fix Plus. Everyone knows what that looks like. Yeah. And then I also got 2 of these. I had to re-up on my black eyeliner. And then I also have a white one as well. And I forgot to pick that one up. But it's the same thing. It's in this container. It's just white, y'all.